Welcome to Click English. I'm Tutor Nick. In the last two lessons, you have been learning about the past simple. In this last lesson, you will learn about the way to use the negative and question forms of the past simple, and you can do some exercises. Watch lessons 82 and 83 if you need to refresh your memory. We use did in past simple negatives and questions. I don't watch TV very often. I didn't watch TV yesterday. Does she often go away? Did she go away last week? I played tennis yesterday, but I didn't win. Did you do the shopping? No, I didn't have time. We went to the cinema, but we didn't enjoy the film. Look carefully at the word order in questions. Did your sister call you? What did you do last night? How did the accident happen? Where did your parents go for their holiday? Look at these ways of giving short answers. Did you see Joe yesterday? No, I didn't. Did it rain on Sunday? Yes, it did. Did Helen come to the party? No, she didn't. Did your parents have a good holiday? Yes, they did. Complete these sentences with the verb in the negative. Write questions with did. What did you do yesterday? Write positive or negative sentences. Write B's questions. Use the words and phrases in the box below. Put the verb in the correct form: positive, negative, or question. I saw Barbara, but I didn't see Jane. They worked on Monday, but they didn't work on Tuesday. We went to the post office, but we didn't go to the bank. She had a pen, but she did not have any paper. Jack did French at school, but he didn't do German. I watched TV last night. How about you? Did you watch TV last night? I enjoyed the party. How about you? Did you enjoy the party? I had a good holiday. How about you? Did you have a good holiday? I finished work early. How about you? Did you finish work early? I slept well last night. How about you? Did you sleep well last night? I watched TV. I didn't watch TV. I got up before 7 o'clock. I didn't have a shower. I bought a magazine. I didn't eat meat. I went to bed before 10:30. We went to New York last month. Where did you stay? With some friends. I was late for the meeting. What time did you arrive? 9:30. I played tennis this afternoon. Did you win? No, I lost. I had a nice holiday. Good. Where did you go? To the mountains. We came home by taxi. How much did it cost? £10. I'm tired this morning. Did you go to bed late? No, but I didn't sleep very well. We went to the beach yesterday. Did you have a nice time? Yes, it was great. The window is broken. How did it happen? I don't know. We went to the cinema, but the film wasn't very good. We didn't enjoy it. Tom bought some new clothes yesterday. 2 shirts, a jacket and a pullover. Did it rain yesterday? No, it was a nice day. We were tired, so we didn't stay long at the party. It was very warm in the room, so I opened a window. Did you phone Chris this morning? No, I didn't have time.